Do you feel like you know After Effects but still struggle to create projects of your own? You feel like you've spent hours jumping between different tutorials and learning a bunch of new techniques, but when it comes to creating a project of your own, you're left staring at a blank composition. That's exactly where I was. I felt like I knew how to use After Effects, but every time I tried to create a project of my own, I felt completely stuck. There was no clear starting point, no structure, and it was all just a bit of a guessing game. Once I learned what I should actually be focusing on, everything got so much better. And that's what's led me to create Project Essentials. I've designed this course to show you how to create your own projects that you love, right from the first idea through to the finishing touches. Over 7.5 hours of content, I'll show you how to build a complete project step by step, right from the very start. This will teach you how to think through the whole process, not just recreate one result. There'll be plenty of software lessons along the way too. I'll give you all my best Illustrator and After Effects tips and techniques that I've learned over the last 10 years as we design and animate the project together. Instead of confusion, lack of structure, and most importantly, more unfinished projects, you'll have clear solutions, intentional design, and focused animation. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start building your own real projects, I'll see you inside Project Essentials.